Welcome to Radhivesh Finance. We are presenting another SME IPO. Dear investors and viewers, there are a number of IPOs into the market, and that's the reason we are uploading our videos. And you can have a look around on each and every IPO. So, dear viewers, we are going to talk about this is one of the pharmaceutical company where we are going to talk about the Fibino Life Science Limited. This is a SME IPO, and yes, they are based in Sonipat, Haryana, where if you see their corporate office is in Sonipat, Haryana, where the New Delhi is their registered office. So, do you aware about what is this company is doing? Basically, this is one of the fastest growing pharmaceutical and wellness focused on consumer products company operating from Delhi and Haryana, and their emphasis high quality and affordable products for all sections of society, harnessing skills and computing power and resources. We aim to provide best quality of product at the affordable price for good health and well-being. Fabino Life Science Limited is engaged in manufacturing, marketing, and trading and packaging of pharmaceutical and other wellness focused on consumer products. For core business of marketing of pharmaceutical formulation and products in domestic market through own distribution network and sales force under the own brand name, getting our Ayurvedic products like coffee, malt powder, protein powder, hair shampoo, which are marketed by our company. Our Ayurvedic herbal business operations are supported by loan licensing facility, which is approved by relevant authority. We typically enter into the loan licensing agreements for a period of ranging from 1 to 5 years. We have been awarded a G.M.P certification for following good manufacturing practices: Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani drugs under the Schedule T of Drug Cosmetic Rules 1945 in respect with various category of tablets, capsules, oil and syrup and powder. For detailed government is approval and yes, this is government approved. We have dedicated marketing team headed by our management looking after our business operations. Our company is brainchild of our promoter Mr. Atul Kumar Jain, who has been guiding force behind our growth, backed by his 15 plus years of experience. Our promoter has instrumental shaping and value system of our company. We value customer and the aim exceeds expectations of customers, offering diverse products and fulfill valuable commitment. We have researched and developing a range of varied products since over 7 years, and we currently over 70 launched and active products in multiple categories available in the market as entailed below. The total exports of our company in 3 months period ended on June 30, 2021 and fiscal year 2020 to 2021 are rupees 31.88 lakhs and 48.97 lakh respectively, which is 28.24 and 16.02 of total revenue from operations. There were no exports in fiscal year of 2018 to 19 and 2019 to 2020. We have a total employees 8. Mr. Atul Kumar Jain is our promoter. So dear viewers, if you are aware about this company, so this company is really doing a pharmaceutical related products business. So absolutely nowadays if you see, there is the companies which is basically into the market and they do lot of investment in pharmaceuticals. See, during the COVIDs, people believe in the Ayur products, people believe in the Unani products, and people believe in the so many other products. So we are expecting this company is really do the well. If you were interested, means like basically we are going to tell that yes, absolutely, Fabino Life Science Private Limited. There are a number of companies shares. If you see, even the pharmaceutical markets really doing a great job during this COVID, because everybody is rush for medicines, cheapest way, one another way, what exactly they do, how it will be beneficiary at minimum cost of investment with the right returns into the market. So that's the reason we are expecting yes, a pharma company can do well, because people believe in the what plant-based product over any kind of product, and all products comes from where? Basically those are coming from the plants only. So, and yes, if you see, there are few communities also believe in plants based life, like vegan and all. So there is a cycle for this companies: allopathic, COVID-19, food and wellness, herbal, veterinary, multivitamin. And if you see their achievement since 2011 October, incorporation of company Fabino Life Science Private Limited, February 2021 obtained permissions for export coffee from Coffee Board. 2020 they obtained license for to manufacturing Ayurvedic, Unani and Siddha medicine. 2021 obtained ISO 9001 2015 certified. The quality management system confirmed the scope of manufacturing and marketing of medicine, food supplements, herbal medicines, veterinary medicines, packaging material. 2021 this company has converged company from private limited to the public limited. So dear viewers, if you see, nowadays there is a trend. In the past, people used to consume lot of food to get a good bodybuilding shape, but the thing is that nowadays people believe in the vitamin based supplementary, that somebody will eat some sort of tablets, and then this what will happen. Basically they will get vitamins with the consuming small amount of tablets forms. Okay, tablet forms vitamins. It's not a vitamins, take it directly from the plant where they consume carbs and all. So modern India may think and believe life and wellness as much as possible. So their group of entities or the companies is Vaccines Metaplast Private Limited, Vaccines Industry Private Limited, Vaccines Automobile Limited, and M/S Keepwell Foods. So this is all about this company Fabino Life Science. Fabino Life Science Limited company detail. Fabino Life Science Limited has registered at 105 first floor Buradia Tower, plot number 12, D Block, Central Market, Prashant Vihar, New Delhi, 110085, where the corporate office is Bewing Shubham Garden Complex, Murthal Road, Sonipat, Haryana, 131001. Where for further information log on fabinolifescience.com. So their promoters is Mr. Thul Kumar Jain, and yes, they have registered this company on 27th October 2011, Fabino Life Science, and they have converted this company from private limited to public limited on, and for that purpose they got a fresh certificate on 21st March 2015 only. Fabino Life Science Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 31st December 2021. IPO closing date 5th Jan 2022. Issue type is fixed price issue, means on the listing date you will not find any fluctuation in the pricing. We can say we can find a stability over here. The face value will be 10 rupees per equity share, and the IPO price is 36 equity per share, where this will be market lot will be 3000 shares, minimum order quantity will be 3000 shares, and listing at BSE and SME, where basis of allotment date will be 10 Jan 2022, initiation of refund 11 Jan 2022, and the credit of shares to your demat account 12 Jan 2022, and IPO listing date will be 13 Jan 2022. The here pre-issue shareholding will be 99.43%, where post-issue shareholding will be 56.82% only. So dear viewers, if you are interested to invest into this company, you need a money, okay? You need at least in your account 1,08,000. So we give a special tips for retail individual investors. You can invest it after the listing also, because anyhow this is a fixed price issue. You can buy share according to you. Yes, you can buy 3000 shares too. Choice is yours at last. Thank you. By Vridhivesh Finance, we will come back to you with another GMP and IPO detail very soonly. 2022 may have more number of IPO as comparing as the IPO of the year 2021. Hopefully, we will watch it. Keep a tab on that, and that's the reason you can subscribe our channel. So the investors, anyways, happy new year on this year end, and wish hopefully 2022 bring lots of happiness and joy for everybody. Have a great day. Bye bye.